Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to lock chats on Telegram. To do that, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, and after that, let me go back. You should go to settings, and after settings you should go to privacy and security, and after that go to passcode and face ID. Click on it and turn on passcode. For the passcode, you have to put like the password that you will use to open the Telegram chats. For example, I will put this passcode. And here you will have when you want the app to auto-lock. So if you are away for 1 hour, after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 6 hours, 5 hours, whatever you want. And you can choose also if you want to unlock with Face ID or with fingerprint if your phone have like fingerprint option. For example, I will put it just 1 minute, and after that you go back to your messages, and as you can see there is a lock icon that appeared in the top of the screen near to the word chats. You can click on it, and as you can see the Telegram is closed now and I need the passcode to open it, so I used the passcode to open my chats. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next